kumain ng lunch, guys. Punta na kami sa Intramuros. Yeah. Guys, so change of plan, guys. Instead going to Intramuros, guys, we went here in Rizal Park, Luneta, in the city of Manila. So yeah, and it's very hot here, guys. As you can see, the sun is burning. Yeah. So the group is divided by two. The first group is the bus A, and the second group is the bus B. So here are from the people in bus A, and this is from the bus B. Hi. So what are your expectations here in Rizal Park? Amazed and?
I hope that they will impress me.
Yeah. What about you? What about you? What are your expectations here in Luneta Park? Wala expectation, ikaw? Ay, hindi kayo. So, what is here? What is in here in Rizal Shrine, Rizal Park? So, this is historical for us since Jose Rizal, one of our national heroes, died here. This place is primarily known as Bagumbayan, now Luneta Park.
Wala din. Dati meron ng 1990 So, binigay po yan ng government natin ng Germany to commemorate the greatness of Dr. Jose Rizal. Kasi nga, nasa Germany siya, nagsusulat siya ng mga libro po natin. Yes, very good. And then, during his 100 years ng celebration po ng birthday niya, gift na po yan sa atin ng bansang Germany.
Kabigi ka ni Germany.
This one naman, nakikita na kayo ng nakikita ko. Itong trees na to, especially this tree, and then that tree is our national tree.
Nara?
Nara tree, very good. Sa Cebu,
This is our national tree, guys. It is called Nara tree.
you crazy? Okay, now question. Ano sa Cebu ang Nara?
So as you can see, guys, that's our national leaf, Nara. And this is our Prime Minister, Pretty. And this is where Jose Rizal was executed. The actual place.
Renamed as Rizal, Luneta Park because of the Fort Lunet, which means present po. And then naging Rizal Park po siya because of Dr. Jose Rizal. Okay? So there are approximately 60 tourist destinations here in Rizal Park. The first one will be on this side.
That's our flag.
If you can see the para siyang ball na nakatakip, yan po ang ating oceanarium or Manila Ocean Park. Walang I know in your province.
Look at the flag. Proudly waving. Proud to be Filipino,
Nakikita niyo
guys.
ba yung tree?
Sunog na ako dito sa Manila, guys. Sobrang init kasi. Init talaga dito. As in, mas matindi yung init dito kaysa amin sa Cebu. So, our next itinerary is the National Museum of Fine Arts, and we're now about to leave the Luneta Park, aka Bagumbayan. So, yeah, come guys! Nakita kita aura na National Museum of the Fine Arts. Yeah.
Can you show my
Fine
face?
Arts.
Hi, Bob!
And we're about to explore, guys, the paint, the art, and and unlock the secrets of who are the painters. So today we are now falling in line as we go inside, and there are many people. There are a lot of people in here. Yeah. Welcome to National Museum of Fine Arts. Hi. This is my beautiful mom. Me too. Here in the National Museum, guys, this was the former legislative building, guys. The House of Representatives and the Senate, guys. But since today, they got separated already and they already have their own building. So, that's it. This section, guys, these are the photos of Dr. Luciano P.R. Santiago. Was born in 1942 and died in 2019. So let's see of his collections, guys. Portrait lady with a fan. You know what, guys? I love... You know what, guys? I love visiting museums like this, guys, because I want to learn the history of the past, guys. So yeah, this is the photo of the portrait of Sofia and Santos Aduana. So this is it. Isa na siya lang. Si Serapia and Santos Aduana. You should be interested of the history of the Philippines, especially this. Hello, guys, we're now another chamber of this National Museum of Fine Arts. I don't know what is this, but as you can see, there are a lot of pictures and paintings in here. The paintings, this one, that one, this one. Soldiers are at war. I like this. This is the painting of Juan Luna. Yeah. The title is Una Bulagüeña. Thing, guys, was made by Felix Resurrection Hidalgo, and the title is La Barca de Aguirrente, 1987, and the medium of art is oil in canvas. Okay, guys, so I'm done exploring the National Museum of Fine Arts here in Manila, and all I can say is I like it because I love visiting museums like this. Yeah, because guys, I love history.